Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? At this moment right here, I am having a what the F moment. I wish I could make this up, but this is Amazon's GPS. I am clearly on a toll road that has not been cleaned off yet. I-85, look at this. When going to get the bag and you think the road is clear, turns into this on the toll road. Wow. By any means necessary, huh? Is this what they mean by any means necessary? We out here, y'all. Headed to Jefferson, Georgia for Amazon. The bag paying good, but everything was clear back at the crib. Till we get out here to G almost in Georgia. I gotta hit y'all back, y'all. I got to concentrate. What's up, family? So if you have not had a chance to get your official Bigg Vic TV merchandise, now is your chance to get it. This is a fantastic way to support the channel, to show your appreciation of the content. If you do pick up some merchandise, be sure to tag me in it, and I would love to share you on my platform. Peace. Yo, I get all the way out here to Jefferson, Georgia. I think it's MG5. Something like that. This joint not even open. Coming all the way from Columbia, West Columbia, to Georgia. I don't like this here. I talked to the ROC. The ROC tell me, wait till the notice. Can't wait upon here all day, man. Yeah, it's a little strange right now, yo. I don't like this right here. I came out, the bag was right. Drove through snow. All types of nonsense, man. To get these two Gaylords that I got on the back of my truck right now. These are some returns. Something told me to leave my black in the house. Something told me to stay at the crib. Something said, go ahead and just create some more content. Don't worry about that load right now. But it was supposed to be picked up in 15 minutes. They pushed the time up for another hour. So I said, it got to have my name on it if it's doing that. And they didn't drop the price down. The price still stayed the same. Like $3.95 a mile, 190 miles, $7.55, man. Let me get that, man. Now they getting me for my time. So now I'm going to try and see if I can get a detention pay with Amazon. You know, you talk to ROC, they always gonna, you know, they're gonna throw something at you like, yeah, go ahead and, you know, go ahead and put a payment dispute in. You know, make sure you take pictures, things like that, so that they'll know. That way you can make sure you get, you know, possibly get paid, you know, get your detention pay for any time that you had to wait over. I said, yeah, I've tried this before, but I didn't take pictures the last time, so I'm about to get out and take some pictures, man. This is crazy. Relay shenanigans. It's crazy. They told me that they were going to be opening, this Amazon's going to open up at 3 a.m. So now I do see cars starting to pull up. at the facility. So it looks like RC didn't lie to me this time. So employees are starting to pull up now and get to work. As you can see, somebody decided to go ahead and leave the Amazon trailer where the employees park at. And the sign says, no trailers, no trucks. They got tired of waiting. They said they getting out of here, man. Yep. That's what's up. As you can see, it is a massive amount of trucks waiting to get in here. We also got the Popo over there. They was not letting trucks be on the street. But trying to get this load off my truck, man, so I can get paid for this load and get on up out of Dodge, man. It's time for me to get back to the crib. I've been here way longer than this load was supposed to be here. So the only thing I hate about this is I'm gonna have to go through this whole process of this load. Of course, it shows I was here on time, way early. But as far as checking out goes, I wasn't able to check out because I wasn't able to check in, even though it picked me up getting here on time. So RC made some notes. Hopefully Amazon will not, try to jack my score up really quickly without me having to put a dispute in. They can clearly see that this facility was not open. So we're gonna see what happened anyway. But I'm gonna get on there, man. Once they finally start letting these trucks into this yard, we get checked in. I get these 2 pallets. I only got 2 little pallets on my truck. Get these pallets off the truck and get out of here, man. But like I said earlier, this is part of sometimes things like this happen. The weather's a little crazy right now. But yeah, we're gonna make it do what it do, man. We still gonna keep eating. Just wish I'd have been able to be in and out like a robbery on this one, but I wasn't able to. Not this time. I have to put in a payment dispute for my detention time because I had to stay here until this facility opened. I didn't have to, but if I wanted to get my money, I thought that would be in my best interest to stay here instead of bringing this load back to Columbia and not completing the trip, which I don't think would have been smart on my part, especially for, getting $3.95 a mile for this load. So, yeah. We here, y'all. We here. Well, ain't nothing like seeing these Amazon workers pulling up. And we are finally moving, y'all. Finally. So right now it's like 4 a.m. on the hay. The yard is open. The workers are here. And let me see if I can get my detention pay from Amazon, man. I am going to see if I can get that money for waiting. I've been here since I got here a little after 6 o'clock, y'all. So I've been here for a while. It's crazy right here. Crazy.